guys, it's Chris and Matt with RVI. We just wanted to go over quickly a tutorial or a how-to on how to put together your customer video review. There's really 4 main things that we need from you in order to make that happen, and Matt's going to go over those real quick.
Yeah, so this doesn't have to be scary, just some quick basic information. We want your name and where you're from, what products you have, how you use them on a daily basis and in your travels, and then most importantly, what value it brings to your RV lifestyle and how it helps you most in your journeys. So your name, where you're from, the products you have, how you use them on a daily basis, and what you get from them.
And then real quick, just to again demonstrate to you how easy this is to do, we're just going to go ahead and show you a quick little example of what we need from you, hopefully to kind of demystify that a little bit and just make it as simple as possible. So as we went over in the intro to this video, I just want to give you a quick glance at what one of these videos might look like. And so to that end, I'm actually filming this on my iPhone, just to kind of give you a glance of you know, what type of video we're looking for. So you may start out, again, name and where you're from. So you'd say, for example, for myself, hi, my name's Chris, I'm from Castle Rock, Colorado, and I own blank, whichever products it is you know, that you have. And then from there, you'll just want to talk about, here's how I use the product day to day, you know, here's you know, what it does for me. And then at the very end, here's what it gives me. Here's what I like about it. I like that it gives me confidence in RVing. I like that it gives me peace of mind, and just kind of finish it up by talking about that. So nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just a real honest video from you. We're so happy you're using the product, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.